Okay guys, today we're going to finish off our series on algebraic expressions by going through a revision summary and then just hitting questions to really hammer home the content. Okay, so the manipulation of algebraic fractions follows identical principles as those for arithmetic fractions. So only fractions with the same denominator can be immediately added or subtracted. Two fractions are multiplied by multiplying the respective numerators and denominators separately, and two fractions are divided by multiplying the numerator fractions by the reciprocal of the divisor fraction. Okay, so let's do some questions. Right, let's multiply this out. Just as a reminder, we need to do that times that times that, plus that times that, plus that times that. So let's just write this out. 2a squared. Well, let's write it all out just for the sake of showing you. 2a times a plus 2a times minus 3b plus 4b times a plus 4b times minus 3b. Okay, and that's going to give us 2a squared plus minus 6ab plus 4ab plus, well, minus 12b squared. We can combine this to get 2a squared minus 2ab minus 12b squared. Okay, it's a fairly straightforward example. Let's carry on. So again, we're just going to do that times that times that times that plus that times that times that. Okay, so that's going to be equals x times 4x squared plus 8x times minus 3x plus 8x times 2 plus minus 4x squared plus minus 4 minus 3x plus minus 4 2. Okay, and that's going to be 32x cubed plus minus 24x squared plus 16x minus 16x squared plus, because the two negatives cancel out, 12x, and then this last one is going to be, just rewrite that, plus 2 is going to be minus 8. So to simplify this, we've got 32x cubed, that and that will give you minus 40x squared, that and that will give you plus 28x minus 8. Okay, let's move on. Right, so we're just going to write this out. So 9s squared times s squared plus 9s squared times minus 4 plus 3s squared plus 3 minus 4 equals 9s cubed minus 36s squared plus 3s squared minus 12 is 9s cubed. That gives you minus 33s squared minus 12. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we're just going to do, well, let's not write this out. Let's just do the solution straight away. So we're going to have 10x to the power 4 plus 6x squared minus 8x plus 15x cubed plus 9x minus 12. Okay, so all I did was that times that to get that, that times that to get that, times that to get that, and that times that to get that, times that to get that, and that times that to get that. So let's simplify this equals 10x to the power 4. How many x squared terms do we have? Only one. X cubed terms only that one, so let's do 15x cubed plus the 6x squared. So that and that will just give you x minus 12. Alright, let's move on. Right, so in order to add sum this, I need to make the denominators the same. So I'm going to do that times A, that times C. That's going to give me A over C A plus B C B C over AC equals A or A squared B plus C squared B over AC. Okay, actually that one I'm going to write as BC squared. Just keep the alphabetical order. Okay, let's move on. Right, so in order to do this one, just as a reminder, 1 is the same as writing C over C. Okay, so this can be rewritten as A over C minus C over C equals AB minus C over C. Alright, very straightforward. Okay, just as a reminder, BIDMAS, addition comes before subtraction, but brackets is the most powerful operator. So we need to do that bit first. So that times B, this times C. So let's do that. B over CB plus C over BC plus BC over A. And that's going to be AB squared plus AC squared over BC plus BC over A. So to make the denominator the same now, that I'm going to multiply by BC, and then this I'm going to multiply by A, and we're left with AB squared plus A squared over ABC plus BC over ABC, and then that's going to be, well, we'll just do it in chunks. AB squared. I would skip stages here, but I think if I did that, it might be confusing what I'm doing, so I'm not going to do that. So B squared, C squared, all over ABC, and then let's expand that out. You're going to have A squared, B squared, plus A squared, C squared, plus B squared, C squared, over ABC. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to do our long division of algebraic expression. So we've got x minus 1 into x squared plus 5x minus 6. So x squared divided by x equals x. X squared left minus x times 1 is minus x. So that's going to be 0 plus 6x minus 6. Okay, and so 6 over x equals 6. That's x plus 6. So let's do that. It's going to be 6x, and that's going to be minus 6, and that's left you 0. So the answer to this is just x plus 6. Okay, another example, x plus 1 into x squared minus x minus 2. So we're just going to do this very quickly. X there, x squared left over there, plus x. Let's take that away. It's going to be minus 2x minus 2. And then we're going to be left with minus 2 there. It's going to be minus 2x minus 2. That's going to be 0. So the answer to this is x minus 2. Okay, another example, 3x minus 5, 12x cubed minus 11x squared, no x term, and just minus 25. So let's just do this very quickly. 4x squared, and leave you with 12x cubed, and then that's going to be minus 20x squared. So that's going to be 9x squared, because it's going to be 11x minus 20x, which is going to be 11 plus 20x squared. That's going to be 9 squared. Okay, and then you've got minus 25. So let's do that, plus 3x 9x squared, 9x squared, and then you're going to be minus 15x um, let's do that. It's going to be 10, 10x. Nope. Right. So it's going to be 0 minus 15x equals plus 15 plus 15x. So it's going to be 15x left over. So I mean, it might have been helpful if I actually wrote the 0x, but I realized my mistake there. So plus 15x minus 25. Okay, so then we're going to be left with 5. So you go 15x minus 25, and then that's going to be left. So the answer to this is going to be 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. Okay, one more long division. Difference here is I don't have, I've got more unknowns, but we're just going to apply the same logic and say a plus 2b into a cubed plus 8b cubed. Okay, so let's have a look at this. That's going to be a squared, and we're left with a cubed plus 2a squared b. Okay, so let's take these away, and we're going to be left with negative 2a squared b plus 8b cubed. Do the same thing again, so that's going to be minus 2ab. So let's do the multiplication. Minus 2a squared b minus 4, so 2 times 2, a b squared. Let's take this away. We're going to be left with 0, and then we've got plus 4ab squared plus 8b cubed. And then let's do it again. That's going to leave me with plus 4b squared. 4b squared is going to be 4ab squared there, plus that's going to be 8b cubed, and that's going to leave me with 0. And that's it. And thank you for watching. Bye.